Hello, how are you all? The last video I made was pretty bad, so I'm making this video again. I will make sure it will help you this time and you will get it clearly what I'm doing here. So first we have to open our Binance app. So here you can see the more option. So you have to click on that more option here, and now you have to scroll down a little bit. So here you can see the convert option. Click on that, and on this you have to select BUSD and to USDT. So here you can easily convert your BUSDT to USDT. I hope this video helped you a lot. Thank you very much, and please like and subscribe.